they don't really discuss it, ano. Napaka-corny na topic nito for most businesses, and pero when we did this years ago, 9 years ago, ito talaga yung main reason that we're doing it. Kasi nga, what's up mga ka-sneaker community? Today, ang di-discuss natin ay environmental effects of businesses, ano. Dito sa Soul Game, we're pursuing itong business na to because of its environmental effects. Napaka-corny na topic nito for most businesses, and they don't really discuss it, ano. Pero when we did this years ago, 9 years ago, ito talaga yung main reason that we're doing it. Kasi nga, all of this could have end up sa mga landfills. Pero, does it guarantee na wala kaming basura or wala kaming waste? Ito yung waste namin currently. Compared to all of this na dapat itinapon mo na lang, na gawan pa natin ng paraan at hindi na itapon, syempre nakatulong tayo sa environment. At the same time, the amount of workers we're hiring dito sa Soul Game is like, hindi man siya sobrang like daan-daang mga employees, ano, but at least one working family at a time na nakapag-contribute tayo ng isang worker, di ba? So, will it change your life? Probably, depende kung paano mo i-pursue yung trabaho. No? So that is why we're inviting you all for a business opportunity with Soul Game that has a very good reason why you should pursue it, because of its environmental reasons. At the same time, providing jobs for a few Filipino families na malay mo, dating craftsmen, dating mga sapatero, like we're hiring kahit anong age dito sa Soul Game. They can be hired as long as they are craftsmen. Alam mo, personally, as a craftsman, na-enjoy ko yung mga ganitong klaseng trabaho, no? Why do I enjoy it? It's because I'm working with my hands. We're hiring craftsmen because they like to do this. Initially, yung mga ganito klase mga restoration before, sabi sa atin ng mga sapatero natin, like, it's really hard. Ang hirap mag-restore, ang hirap gawin. Mas madali gumawa ng bago, no? Pero dito sa Soul Game, we've changed all of that. We've challenged the status quo, and we're restoring. Ito yung mga finished products natin. Ito yung ngayon, at saka ito pa yung iba na mga natapos natin as of the moment. Ito pa yung mga iba natin, mga natapos na mga sneakers. Okay? So, there's a very good opportunity for all of you to pursue franchising with Soul Game because of these two main reasons: environmental effects and your contribution to society, one working family at a time.
So gay, pagod mong sapatos, we revive that. Lahat mo mapigat.